My name is Lucio Cunha. I'm 16 and I'm a sophomore.
My name is Kashiwagi. I'm 16 years old and I am Navajo.
My name's Taylin. I'm 15.
My name's Rhiannon Chi. I'm 18 years old and I'm Navajo.
My name is Richard LaFrancis. I am 15 and I am a sophomore in high school. Mostly like the long hours, like I gotta get up real early because I live on the reservation and I get up at like 4 in the morning just to get to school at 7.
People, honestly, people.
Some teachers just give you packets and papers and they don't even like communicate as much.
I feel like the program like helped me be more comfortable around people, because like I wasn't really like socializing with the people around me, so I feel like this program helped me get more involved and just do whatever, just do what I do.
Yeah, I like them a lot because, you know, it got me to do things. If not, I'd probably be sleeping in the class right now.
Like social stuff, like socially being talkative and comfortable, and what's gonna happen if I don't start planning and being organized. So that really helps to wake me up and like say that you're getting close to this and you start planning.
They were fun and I learned a lot from them about, you know, how to deal with people and what to do in certain situations, and it connected to me in a way when I deal with situations, so yeah.
I think it's very useful because it, you know, it relieves some stress from all the classwork and all that, and also like help you meet new people that you never talked to.
They're really outgoing and they're just really happy with their jobs. Like they just seem so happy. Like they're happy to teach, and it really does like boost your aura.
They're fun. They're like more pumped up than we are, and they're trying to like pump us up, and like we're just like sitting there and not doing nothing.
If you want to be social, that's cool, but sometimes like people here, they like to keep to themselves and just do everything on their own. They don't rely on friends, or friends can be extra people, but they just rely on themselves sometimes.
Yeah. I mean, when I first came to high school, like, you know, in middle school, I like knew most of everybody, and then coming here, you know, you barely know anybody, so it's hard to like meet new people. And like when I was like a little, I used to like move a lot, so I didn't really try to meet new people all the time. They just kind of came to me. So it was kind of new trying to meet new people, and then doing these workshops helped, you know, interacting with people and, you know, having conversations. But as far as getting help before, I don't know, just the way I grew up, like we didn't really ask for help. We just did it ourselves. And then so now I'm like more willing to ask for help if I need help. Then you learn new things that will help you, you know, get through school. It just makes life easier.
It helped me with relationships with, you know, a lot of people, friends, close people, my mom, my dad, and yeah. So, the biggest change is when I look at people and they're pissed off or like mad in a way about anything, and I don't really pay attention because I don't really care and it's not my business. But I gotta see where they're coming from, and I gotta, you know, sort that out and handle the situation as, you know, a mature adult would.
Well, when I talk to the students, what I see is that I would ask them the question, what did you learn in the logic and the leadership class? What are you learning? And they would discuss it. I said, okay, now take that. Now, what is the logical way of fixing this issue you're having? They'll sit there for a while and they'll say, oh, okay. And I'll always tell them, you don't have to share with me some of the answers you came up or what you came up with. That's yours. It belongs to you. But they'll share with me, this is what I should have done. I should have done this. I should have done that. Which is more positive. It's not negative. Now, why don't you get up and walk out the door and apply it?